We're here at the cemetery. Hi.
So,
Hello.
we're here with Consuelo Tamayo right now. So, we're going to Bonifacio Binoya. Bonifacio Binoya.
Consuelo.
Where are you? Where are you? No, I'm sorry. Age 71.
Oh
That's all
my.
I can see.
Wait,
Okay, Mr. Blue's Clues.
Okay, this is so.
Have you seen my... Blue's Clues pala.
Ate, be careful. Ate ko.
Yeah, I'm
Look at.
fine.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
It's so hot, man.
Everyone is cleaning and everyone is busy. And my beautiful ate is scared of the sun.
Nosebleed, nosebleed.
Okay, okay. Take and straight ahead. You see that tree, ate? That tree, that big tree, that's Lolo.
That's Lolo.
Yeah, that's
Lolo,
our that's
I'm
our
right here.
that's our trademark. Ang layo ni Madam Galo and Mommy.
Can we go over here?
No. It's malayo pa, ate ko. And watch your step because
Sang, you should have told me to wear pants.
there's holes. I didn't know this is so mahalaman.
Okay, I'm gonna go here.
Oh, ang tapang. Ikaw na, te. Ikaw na.
I know, right? I know.
Wait lang. Oh my God, ate ko. Ha! There you go.
So, they're painting it.
Yeah, there is dead people
So,
everywhere.
which way should we go?
Straight.
Right?
They're painting it. Be careful, ate
painting
ko.
it?
Here.
Okay.
There you go. Step 1. Step
Oh my
2.
God, I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh, ano? Kumusta, Auntie Glo? Wait, ate, wait for me, my dear. Sige, ate. Go. Challenge.
I said I'm so sorry.
Sorry po.
Okay, so where are we going now?